Last time I visited Mexico, there was this tiny little cafe with a handwritten sign that said vegan food. Once you were inside, it was like sitting at someone's kitchen table while they prepared you homemade, authentic Mexican food. These meatless tacos are made with potatoes and chorizo, but they give a nod to al pastor with a pineapple salsa. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Let's get started. I generally won't show you how to cut up vegetables because I think it's kind of a waste of time, but in this recipe, you want to cut your potatoes really small, so I'm going to show you how I do that. You want to cut your potatoes in tiny, thin slices because we are going to use corn taco shells and we want the potatoes to be very small. So once I do that, I usually stack them up and cut like this. Now for this recipe, I am going to use about 4 potatoes because when I cook, I like to have leftovers. Every potato is going to get you about 4 tacos, every medium-sized potato. You want your potatoes in small pieces about that size. For this recipe, I'm going to bake my potatoes. I love the way the flavor of the potatoes comes out. The onion caramelizes and the potatoes get nice and soft and steamy. And also you don't have to watch them cook. If you want, you can fry them in a frying pan. And if you're really pressed for time, you can buy a bag of frozen cubed potatoes. To my potatoes, which are in an oven-safe container, I'm gonna add one half medium chopped onion, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is quite a bit of potatoes. I'm going to salt. That's maybe about a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Once you add olive oil, salt, and pepper, toss your potatoes so they're coated, cover them, and cook them in a 425-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until they're nice and soft. What's great about baking the potatoes in this recipe is while they're baking, I don't need to pay attention to them, and I can get the rest of my ingredients ready. I'm gonna make a quick pineapple salsa. I'm using fresh pineapple. You can use canned pineapple, but if you use it, please don't use the pineapple that's stored in sugary syrup. Use the pineapple that's just stored in water. I'm gonna chop up my pineapple into tiny pieces. If you're using fresh pineapple, remember to remove the core of the pineapple. You wanna chop your pineapple into tiny pieces just like you did with your potato. Most pineapple salsas have lots of ingredients like red onion and lime and cilantro, but the chorizo I'm using in this recipe is very flavorful and spicy, so I'm keeping the salsa down to 2 ingredients because you don't want to blow out your taste buds. So I'm gonna add in about a quarter cup to half cup of rough chopped cilantro to my pineapple. You can always add more cilantro, but cilantro has a strong flavor. That looks just about right to me. The meat in our chorizo tacos is chorizo. It's like a meatless chorizo. One of my Mexican friends told me her husband could not tell the difference. It comes in a casing, so you have to take the casing off, and we're just gonna heat it up in our frying pan. Okay, I coated my pan with a little bit of cooking spray, and I'm just going to heat my chorizo over medium heat for maybe 5 minutes just till it heats through. It's pre-cooked, so you don't really have to cook it. It's time to build our delicious breakfast tacos. If you've been in Mexico, you know that the corn tortillas that are handmade are the best. So I would look for a local source of homemade corn tortillas. To make your breakfast burrito, put a layer of potatoes, a layer of chorizo, and a layer of delicious pineapple salsa. There you have your delicious, amazing, authentic Mexican breakfast taco. Enjoy.